Hello friends, welcome to Ruchira Handmade Jewelry. I am Sarita. So today's tutorial we will see how to make a wire wrapped bangle using beads. So if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe and watch the tutorial till end and comment in the comment section. So let's see what are the items required for making wire wrapped bangle. So here is the list I've given, you can go through. So this is a 18-inch wire, 16 gauge I have taken, and this is for wrapping, 22 gauge wire. These are crackle beads. This is a imitation of glass beads, not glass beads actually. So I am using this cup for the bangle size. So with the 18-inch wire, where the circle will be coming 2 rounds, so you will get a bangle size of 2.7 inch dia. So we'll have to bring around 2 times. So what we'll do, both the sides we are going to wrap it some 3-4 rounds before we start wrapping and adding beads. So make a couple of wraps, around 5-6 wraps, and then once the shape is staying in position, then you can cut the excess wire. Always cut towards outside and press it towards outside. So we don't want the wire to prick when we wear. So take 22-inch wire. So the wire, since it's a folded, it is bent, so I am making it straight with the help of nylon jar plier before I start wrapping. So take around 50 inches wire. So start from where you have done the previous wrapping. Make around 4-5 wraps before you start beading. I'm taking my first bead, red bead. holding it firmly in one hand. With the other hand, make 3 wraps from outside through the bangle dia. Bring it around 3 times and let the wrapping be close to each other. So I've done 3 wraps. I take my next bead, orange bead, hold it firmly and wrap 3 times. So now we take red. So just repeat the same process until we reach the other end. Make sure that the bead is on outside when you do the wrapping. You have to keep on the base bangle and wrap it properly. This really looks very pretty. You can't make out that you have made this from wire. And durability is also very good when you do with wire. So with 18-inch, actually it's 9-inch circle, twice we bring around the wire, you will get 2.7-inch bangle. So lesser the dia, you need to have 1 inch lesser. Please let me know in the comment section if you like the bangle, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe and share with your friends. Thanks for watching.